welcome to our very first world premiere in 2021, and a happy belated new year from Mercedes-Benz. At Mercedes, we will do what's in our power to make 2021 an outstanding year. We are going to show you a screen that is unlike anything you've seen before. In fact, we're so proud, or not all too modest engineers, call it the MBUX Hyperscreen. The MBUX Hyperscreen is the center of attention, the center of control, and of course, the center of entertainment. And it is the biggest screen ever mounted in a series-built Mercedes. You don't search for functions. They will find you. The screen appears lightweight, almost floating in the center of the car. That said, we thought we'd take it to where it belongs. Ready? Welcome to zero gravity.
Hello everybody, and welcome. Allow me to introduce the Hyperscreen. To me, it's a milestone in the merging of analog and digital design. This is the jewel of the interior and a true work of art. 3 separate screens beneath one gently curved glass surface. It looks and feels like a single entity. This is the futuristic design of the pure EV mode, and its different interpretation of displaying key functionalities like boosting, recuperation, or G-force. We call the G-force element the EQ puck, or flying saucer. And key information is easy to understand and nice to look at. For me, the Hyperscreen's clear minimalist design and strong anchor points make it intuitive and straightforward to use. Now let's have a look at what's inside.
Hello everyone. The MBUX Hyperscreen reinvents how we interact with the car. It's stunning on the outside, super intelligent on the inside. It's the nerve center that connects everyone in the car with the world inside and outside. What you see behind is what makes this new level of user interaction so special. Our goal was to create a UI that gives our customer direct, intelligent access to all the functions they need in any given situation. In other words, customer-centric user interface. It was important for us to create an interface that shall not add distraction or complexity. The result is the next level of fully intuitive user experience. Have a look. There is a lot going on in there, right? The Hyperscreen offers amazing functionality. You have apps, vehicle functions, navigation, climate control, and entertainment. The list goes on. We call it zero-layer principle. It brings all the apps and functions into the fluid, proactive user interface. You can activate the functions you need from one screen. The all-important navigation map is always visible in the center. Beneath it, there are controls for the phone, entertainment, or the features that suits the specific situation. The system knows what you want and need. And you know what? That's why the zero layer is based on emotional intelligence. The system learns with AI and adds more individual functions on the top as it's required, or places them in the background if they are not being used. In this zero layer of Hyperscreen, MBUX also uses AI to process datasets such as position, temperature, and time. Its intelligence also assists you with route planning and charging to help you get most out of your electric mobility experience. Lots of innovation is focused very much on the driver. But MBUX has something more for everyone in the car. There are innovations for all passengers, but especially for the one in the front, because the front seat passenger has their own screen incorporated into the Hyperscreen. We call it co-driver display. The content of this screen does not interfere with any other driver's actions, and they can also see all the relevant vehicle information. And there is even more in store for passengers. There are entertainment services with market-specific features. At the front seat of the passenger can share content with anyone else in the car. In some markets, it's even possible to watch the TV. On one side of the passenger car, passenger can see and watch the videos while traveling by using the Bluetooth headphones, while on the other side, intelligent camera-based locking concept prevents the driver from looking at the passenger display to avoid distraction. And before you feel too sorry for the driver, they get a pretty attractive view too, albeit less distracting. It has an exclusive EQ design and the same easy-to-use interface as it was introduced with the S-Class and together with the full augmented reality. So just to round it off, the Hyperscreen is the natural progression of the MBUX, taking it to the next level of sophistication and ease of use. The principle of the zero layer is a completely new and super intelligent way of achieving seamless human-machine interaction. And the innovative use cases enhance the EQ experience for the driver and all the passengers. This is customer centricity and digital thinking of 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can only agree. This screen is groundbreaking, an entirely new and intuitive way to interact with technology. It fully lives up to where we're headed at Mercedes-Benz, creating technology that is aesthetically beautiful, innovative, and supportive to us humans. Consequently, it will make its premiere later this year in our brand new and top-of-the-line electric luxury sedan. The new EQS, a car that will boast an all-electric range of about 700 kilometers, which will provide passengers with lots of uninterrupted time to enjoy its beauty and its brains. I can't wait to see these two game changers come together in one vehicle for our customers. As you can see, we're doing all we can to make 2021 awesome and exciting. Thank you very much.